Hello, welcome to this video. I will explain how to solve file path traversal validation of start path challenge. To access the challenge, click on this button. So this challenge is part of path traversal category and difficulty for this challenge is practitioner. And if we go to the challenge description, this lab contains a path traversal vulnerability in the display of product images. The application transmits the full file path via a request parameter and validates that the supplied path starts with the expected folder. To solve the lab, retrieve the content of etc passwd file. So we need to exploit this vulnerability by using product images. So go to challenge page, open any particular image. In Burp Suite, capture the request. So to view the image related request, click on this button. So we need to enable image section. Here we can notice the request related to image file. So send this particular request to repeater and click on send button. So we are getting 200 OK for this particular image file. Now, as per the challenge description, we need to access content of this file. So let's copy this path and change parameter value to etc passwd and click on send button. So we are getting error missing parameter file name and response is showing 400. So in the challenge description, it was mentioned application transmits full file path and validates that the supplied path start with the expected folder. So by default, this particular image file is loaded in this path and there is validation implemented like this particular path should come. Then only it will give 200 OK. However, to solve the challenge, we need to access etc passwd. So instead of this image file, let's provide etc passwd and see if it is accessible. So this time error is different because we are following the path. However, under images folder, we are trying to access etc folder and then passwd file, which is not present. So we are getting no such file error. So generally we know etc folder will come after the root folder. So if we check the path in Kali Linux also, so this is root folder. Under root, etc folder is there and under etc passwd file will be present. So we need to use traversal sequence. So we can provide // so images folder will be removed. Then one more // for the second folder and one more // for the VR folder. So now this will start from the root folder. So let's click on send button. And we can notice we are able to get the content of passwd file. And if we go to challenge page, this is solved. So as there is validation implemented, like application will allow parameter if this particular path is present in the file name. However, if we are using traversal sequence, it is not validating this traversal sequence after the path. So we are able to exploit path traversal vulnerability by following this approach. Thank you.